Photoshop has two new paint symmetry options, Radial and Mandala. With a paintbrush, pencil, or eraser tool selected, I'll click the butterfly icon in the options bar. I'll choose Radial, enter in a number of segments, and then I can transform and reposition the symmetry axis as needed. I'll tap Enter or Return to apply that transformation. To pick a color, I'll use the flyout menu on the Color panel and choose Color Wheel. In order to select a hue, I'll use the color wheel, and then I'll dial in the amount of saturation and brightness using the triangle. To save this color to my swatches and my libraries, I'll click the new color swatch icon and click OK. Now, as I paint, Photoshop will rotate and repeat the paint stroke based on the number of segments. To have Photoshop first mirror my paint stroke and then repeat it around the axis, I'm going to return to the butterfly icon and choose Mandala. I'll increase the number of segments and then tap Return or Enter to apply the transformation. This time, as I start painting, we can see that Photoshop is mirroring the paint stroke before it repeats it around the symmetry axis. Paint symmetry, however, isn't limited to a paint layer. I have a layer with a rainbow and a black layer with a mask. Targeting the layer mask and making sure that black is my foreground color, now when I paint, it appears as if I'm painting with a gradient, when in fact I'm painting in the layer mask and just hiding the black layer to reveal the rainbow layer below. So there you go. Be sure to give the new Radial and Mandala paint symmetry options a try.